How to redeem gift card in Roblox. Now in order to redeem your Roblox gift card, just simply open your browser and search for roblox.com. Then open the site of roblox.com at very first and tap to continue in browser. You can also do this from your PC if you want to do that. And after coming in here, just simply tap to these three bars from top left corner. Just simply tap into that. And after tapping in there, you will get this option of buy gift cards. Tap to buy gift cards, and after tapping in there, select redeem card from top right corner. Now after coming in this section, you will get this box where the code is written. You just simply need to tap into that and enter the redeem code from that gift card. Then after that, tap to redeem and your gift card will be redeemed in Roblox. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, subscribe to the channel.